like and subscribe right now, or you will wake up with this right beside your face. But anyways, do you want to sound like this?
Okay, go, go, go. She always keep acting like she know, no, no. I told her don't never leave me alone, alone, alone. I ain't got some accident, bro, 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 bro.
Alright guys, so just loaded up Bandlab. This is the preset right here. This is how it sounds one more time. This is Bandlab right here.
Okay, go, go, go. She always keep acting like she know, no, no. I told her don't never leave me alone, alone, alone. I ain't got some accident, bro, 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 bro. I don't know no better. I get in the thing.
But yeah, that's the preset right there. And what you want to do is you want to click the effects button, the top left with the microphones. Then you go down, you press FX. Then what you're going to do is you're going to select this filter right here, the post tone. And then you're going to click the white button in the right corner to edit it. So just use these. I mean, you could change them if you want to make it sound even better, but this is the basic the Kid Laroi sound. Use that, that, and that's basically the preset right there, guys. Get that down, copy that, tell me what you guys think. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but yeah, a vid's coming on the way, probably 2-3 uploads today. But yeah, that is the Kid Laroi effect right there. In my description, I just dropped a song. Go check it out. It'll be in the description down below. Go check that out for sure. Peace, guys. Stay safe.